Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel C33 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then we have to find the battery option. As you can see right here, we've got the battery percentage option, which is of course in my case turned on. If you've got it turned off, so you've got only the battery indicator, simply tap on the switcher and from now on your device will display the exact percentage of the usage of the battery next to the battery icon. Unfortunately, we did not have any kind of other configurations of the percentage, so we cannot put it inside the battery icon or any other option, simply next to the battery icon. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.